Subject Engineering Material Science. Practical number 1. To study about the types of bonds and structure of solid. First, types of bond. There are ionic bond. Ionic bond occurs strictly between metal and non-metal atoms. In ionic bonding, some of the valence electrons of metal atoms are transferred to a non-metal atom so that each atom ends up with a noble gas configuration. Second, covalent bonding. The valence electrons are shared between atoms such that the electrons are attracted to two nuclei. Non-metal atoms will form covalent bonds with each other. Metallic bonding. In the metallic bond, metal atoms achieve a more stable configuration by sharing the electrons in its outer shell with many other metal atoms. The valence electrons in metal are not tightly bound in the nucleus, and each atom in metal contributes all the electrons in its valence shell to all other atoms in the structure. Structure of solids. First, body center cubic structure. If the atoms are represented as a sphere, the center atom touches each corner, but they do not touch each other. Since each corner atom is shared by 8 adjoining cubes, and the atom in the center cannot be shared by any other cubes. Face center cubic structure. In addition to atom at each corner of the cube, there is one in the center of each face, but none in the center of the cube. Each face atom touches its nearest corner atom. Since each corner atom is shared by 8 adjoining cubes, and each face is shared by only one adjacent cube. Hexagonal closed pack HCP. HCP shows two base planes in the form of regular hexagons with atoms at each corner of the hexagon and one atom at the center. In addition, there are three atoms in the term of a triangle midway between the two base planes. If the base plane is divided into 6 equilateral triangles, the additional 3 atoms are nested in the center of the alternate equilateral triangle. Thank you.